Why do 70% of people fear the dark? Here's a story that will make you understand why. Laura always lived alone, relishing the peaceful nights. But everything changed when the breathing started. Heavy, irregular, like someone was standing right beside her bed. Each night after she turned off the lights, it began. She tried to dismiss it as fatigue or imagination, but the sound was real and persistent. Determined to uncover the truth, Laura set her phone to record. She placed it next to her bed, heart pounding. The breathing grew louder, clearer. Morning came, and with trembling hands, she reviewed the recordings. The breathing was unmistakable. But then, a whisper, a low, guttural voice calling her name. Laura! Laura! She turned, eyes wide, but the room was silent. The breathing had stopped. But her fear, it never would. And so Laura's nights were never the same again.